देश के बाकी हिस्सों के साथ मेघालय ने शनिवार को कोविड-19 टीकाकरण अभियान शुरू किया, जिसमें राज्य भर के 800 से अधिक स्वास्थ्य कर्मचारियों को पहले चरण में टीका लगाया जाना था। मेघालय में मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड के संगमा ने उत्तर पूर्वी इंदिरा गांधी क्षेत्रीय स्वास्थ्य और चिकित्सा विज्ञान संस्थान नीग्रिम्स में शिलोंग में टीकाकरण अभियान की शुरुआत की। दुनिया के सबसे बड़े कोविड-19 टीकाकरण अभियान को प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने शनिवार सुबह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए लॉन्च किया। यह बताया गया कि मेघालय के विभिन्न जिलों में नीग्रिम्स और 732 में कुल 100 स्वास्थ्य कर्मचारियों का टीकाकरण किया जाएगा। मीडिया कर्मियों से बात करते हुए मुख्यमंत्री ने इस अवसर को कोविड-19 के खिलाफ लड़ाई में एक ऐतिहासिक क्षण कहा।
मैं इस वक्त खड़ा हूँ पूर्वोत्तर के जाने माने नीग्रिम हॉस्पिटल के यहाँ पर आज कोविड का एक वैक्सीन लॉन्च होने जा रहा है और ये ऐतिहासिक क्षण भी है। ऐतिहासिक क्षण इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये पूरी तरह से भारत में निर्मित है और ये भारत में निर्मित होने के कारण ये स्वदेशी वैक्सीन भी है और अब देखना यही है कि ये वैक्सीन कितना कारगर साबित हो रहा है, क्योंकि उम्मीद में ही दुनिया टिकी हुई है। मैं प्रकाश वर्मा, UNN न्यूज़, शिलोंग।
Very good morning to everyone. Today is a very historic day in many senses. Number one is that we have been fighting COVID-19 for almost a year now, and this has really taken a big toll, I should say, on the nation, on the economy, and individuals' lives, of every citizen of this nation. And today, this vaccine rollout is a very, very positive step towards fight against COVID-19. We have been fighting COVID-19 in many ways, but this vaccination program and the rolling out of this is a historic day, a day to be proud, and a day for citizens of this nation and the world as a whole to feel confident that we will be able to overcome this very soon. Second, of course, it's a historic day because these vaccines which have been made in our country. And I think that has shown the power of the country and India and its scientists, that we can also show the nation and the whole world of the kind of work that we can do to fight against COVID-19. So it's been a very historic day from these two perspectives. Number three, we should always remember that the fight against COVID-19 will continue. It's not that this vaccine will immediately take it away and tomorrow everything will be normal. Absolutely not. The vaccination program will take time to complete. Everybody cannot get vaccinated in the same time. And maybe this program will continue for 6 months, 8 months, maybe a year and even more. So therefore, I request and urge all the citizens of Meghalaya that we should not take it lightly. We should continue to follow all the norms and the precautions and the guidance that has been given by the health department and the government of India and the government of Meghalaya. Apart from that, today we'll be having close to 852 people from the health sector who will be 832 from the health sector who will be immunized today. 100 of them are being done here in Nigrims and in the rest in the different parts of the state, and I congratulate them for being part of this program and part of this historic day where they will be the first people to be immunized. And of course, as we had mentioned, it's a process. There are 2 shots to be given, and the immunity only comes in based on scientific records and everything, that immunity will come in only after approximately 45 days post the first vaccine that's given, and second will be given on the 28th day. So therefore, they also have to be careful, and I think all the necessary arrangements have been made. First phase, we will be immunizing the health workers, and in the second phase, the frontline workers, and in the third phase, 50 plus, and people with comorbidities will also be included, and that will be in the third phase. So that is the way it will roll out, and as I said again, that is a process that will take time. So once again, I congratulate all the officials from the health department, our officials here in Nigrims, for having successfully organized this program, and I wish this immunization program the very best. Thank you very much.
So in this phase one, how many days are we expecting? Because since 16,000 are the health workers that you're planning to vaccinate. So in how many days are we expecting this phase one to finish?
As I said, we expect that phase one we'll be having approximately, as I said, 16,000 people. We have 35,000 shots. I presume that in 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah, 3 to 4 weeks we'll be able to complete the first phase. But as I said, it's the first phase of the first phase. So that means the second shot also will be given to them after some time. So after 28 days individually. So we have to cover the whole phase. So therefore, this is another good opportunity for us also to keep everything on track so that we are there for the next phase where we can improve things. I think Prime Minister's program is going to start, so yes, yeah, he'll have to.
And so lastly, what arrangements are being done for the 2 districts that are not included in this phase one, like Southwest, Khasi Hills?
No, it's not like that. I think everybody is getting it wrong. It's just that today, being the first day of launch, the Government of India wanted the communication aspect to be very clear. Tomorrow itself there will be shots, or day after itself the shots will be given in all the districts. It is only because of the connectivity issue that we could not include South Garo Hills and Southwest Khasi Hills. I mean connectivity in terms of the mobile and internet connectivity. That's the reason, and Government of India wanted very clear shots of everything happening. So that's the only reason. It's nothing. It's like, I mean, most probably after this or tomorrow itself or day after itself the programs will start. So it was supposed to start everywhere, but based on connectivity issues we had some problem. Yeah.
So some people have had apprehension and they are scared to get themselves vaccinated. Your message for them, sir?
I think it's very clear people should not at all have any apprehensions. This have been tried in different phases, and the scientific community has done a very thorough work in this. And of course, we should remember that every vaccine has reactions in 1 or 2 individuals, and that's the reason why they do those small test for allergy and all these kind of things. So basic reaction may be there in certain individuals, 1 out of 100 or 1 out of 1,000 people will have, but majority of the cases you will not find any kind of adverse kind of symptoms out here. But immunization is, in every immunization, not just the COVID-19, but other injections also, individuals have reactions. So therefore, it's nothing to worry. This has been tested properly, and everybody should be confident and very happy, in fact, and feel privileged that Government of India has done this, and I'm sure that this will go a long, long way in helping us fight COVID-19. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rajavi.
ठीक ही है अभी तक। बस कुछ नहीं, दिमाग में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं, बस खुशी हो रहा है क्योंकि इतना दिन से हम लोग मतलब इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि कब आएगा वैक्सीन, और अभी तो आ गया, तो इसी की वजह से बहुत खुशी है। से हमको पता लगने के साथ साथ तो हम पता लगाया कि कब देगा, कैसे देगा, तो ये लोग बताया कि ये दिन में आएगा, तो हम बोला ठीक है हमको भी देना है। तो ये लोग बोला क्यों दे रहा है, क्योंकि बहुत लोग तो मतलब डर रहा है इससे। हम बोला डरने का क्या है, क्योंकि इतना दिन से तो हम लोग तलाश कर रहे हैं कि कौन कब आएगा वैक्सीन, कब आएगा दवाई ये कोरोना के लिए, क्योंकि इतना दिन से तो हम लोग बहुत कोशिश कर रहा है, और बहुत लोग को तो हम लोग अवेयरनेस और ऐसा आने जाने वाला लोग को भी हम लोग रोकता है, उन लोग को सिखाता है डिस्टेंस रखो, मास्क पहनो, हाथ पे धुलाई करो। तो हम लोग को तो ये सब अभी तक कोई मतलब सेफ्टी के लिए अभी तक नहीं मिला, तो अभी ये वैक्सीन जो आ गया है तो ये बहुत बड़ा खुशी की बात है।
I felt that's a sense of pride that we have reached a stage that we are actually able to protect ourselves in a definite manner against this disease. So yeah, definitely excited.
Okay. According to your experience, now what will be the message to the general public, because this exercise will be going on after the first phase or second phase? What will be your message?
My message is not to be afraid, and since we have been actually longing, and I guess even the general public have been waiting eagerly for this to come. It has come very much earlier than we expected, but still it is according to my medical understanding, it is one of the definite ways which we can protect ourselves. So not to be afraid, and to go ahead. That is what the call I have taken myself, and by my example, I want to encourage each and everyone to take the vaccination so that we will definitely win against this pandemic.